the way.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud.
My face and all the world fades and it's just us.
It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs.
This ever-changing, steady way that I love you.
Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. Family and friends, we've gathered here today together to celebrate the union of Sierra and Christian.
I'm all yours now. Won't you dance with me? Dance with me. I wanna spin you round. I wanna spin you round. I'm all yours now.
Do you, Sierra, take Christian to be your lawfully wedded husband, your constant friend, your faithful partner?
I do.
Do you, Christian, take Sierra to be your lawfully wedded wife, your constant friend, your faithful partner, and your love from this day forward?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Won't you dance with me? Won't you dance with me? I wanna spin you round. I wanna spin you round. I'm all yours now.
Sierra, you've always been one of the kindest, most hardworking, and selfless people I've ever known. You're just as beautiful on the inside as you are on the outside. Christian, you're everything that I could have ever hoped for in a partner for Sierra. You can always make her laugh, and you can even keep up with her wild dance moves, which is saying a lot.
Christian is kind, he's very intelligent, he has a great sense of humor, he's extremely hardworking, has the patience, like me, of a saint.
I'm proud of the son that Christian has become, the godly man he is. Told him if he puts God first in his life, he can achieve anything. And I appreciate Sierra so much for including me in her life. Sometime when she don't get a hold of her dad, Doug, she calls me.
At this time, I'm supposed to welcome Christian into our family. Truth be told, he became a part of our family the first time we met him. May you enjoy your many good times and don't dwell on the bad. May your lives be filled with love, laughter, and beautiful memories. Salute agli sposi novelli. Cheers to the newlyweds.